What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Adobe Marketo platform and its different features. Adobe Marketo is a great tool that has powerful B2B or business-to-business marketing automation features, and it also has lots more. So if you go to their website, and probably the easiest way is to open a new Google search for Marketo, hit enter, and open the first result. That's Adobe Marketo or Marketo Engage here, and you'll land on the same home page that I was on. So here you can scroll down to see more features. So they have marketing automation tools. You can quickly launch it. You can let AI build predictive audience and segments, so you can harness the power of AI, which is pretty great. You can nurture leads and prospects across all channels and personalize the experience with active listening. They also have account-based marketing, where you prioritize accounts, build the best fit account lists, automate personalized cross-channel experiences, and sync marketing and sales so you can go ahead and focus on what matters. You can also manage all your leads, so you can draw top of funnel traffic through inbound and outbound programs. You can target and retarget known and anonymous site visitors, create custom scoring models, and automate nurture streams. Also, it has email marketing tools, so you can send marketing emails to your customers. You can use Marketo Engage tools, templates, and a visual editor to create emails for any device. Ensure segments are accurate with real-time updates. Use A/B and testing. Also review in-depth results in a simple dashboard. And also they have multi-touch attribution. You can measure every customer touch point. You can automatically connect and unify data and use pre-built tiles and dashboards with advanced filters and segmentation. And scrolling down even more, you can see some more features, learn more about the platform with screenshots here and visual representations. You can use many channels in only one conversation. You can get hand-picked content without all the busy work, so you can get clear analytics and numbers to focus on what matters. You can increase your sales and manage your marketing teams in sync. You can also get marketing analytics, and you have the power of AI to do more work. So you can learn more here and see the companies that trust them, as well as see some tutorials and find out more about them. So let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly. So if I click on pricing here, you have many packages: the Growth, Select, Prime, and Ultimate. And you can scroll down here to see a comparison of all the features of each plan to check which one is best for you. And to learn the price of each plan, you simply click on Get Pricing right here. And you need to fill in this form and they will send you the price. So they also integrate with lots of platforms. So let's check the integration. You can connect here Adobe Workfront with Adobe Marketo and watch as your campaigns go from ideation or ideas to execution faster. Your campaigns here can reach more customers or reach more customers faster, deliver more result, and increase visibility. So here, to get started, you can click on Get Started right here. You need to fill in this form right here and submit it, and they'll contact you back. So let's fill it pretty quickly and show you how it will look like. And here, the business email, I'll just add it pretty quickly. The business phone as well. Job title here, let's say I am a contributor. Department in IT security. Organization name, how to simple. The country, let's say United States. State, I'll just select some random state. Primary product or interest, let's say B2B journey management. And then adding the zip code and continue to submit. Okay, now that all is filled, click on submit. And here my request has been submitted, and an Adobe representative will contact me here, and they tell me to start exploring more resources. Now, if we go back here to the products, you can see some featured products such as Customer Data Platform or CDP, Omnichannel Analytics, Marketing Automation, Contact Management, Digital Asset Management, and many more. So let's take a look and learn more about the project management. And here you have many tools to manage your projects, from marketing to IT and PMO to services. So you can use the marketing wisely because they offer you great marketing tools. You can bring your strategy to life, defining goals, mapping project requests against them, connect daily tasks to strategies, and boost productivity with a marketing system of record. You can also plan, prioritize, and iterate your work easily, compare project plans side by side, pick the best one, and adjust on the fly. You can make marketing a marketing workflow with the stages that you need to accelerate your work with automation templates, real-time reports, and marketing-focused agile boards. You can ensure compliance and brand standards by using online reviewing to let stakeholders comment, request changes, and approve projects while maintaining an auditable record of change. And finally, you can deliver campaign assets for activation, modify existing assets to kickstart new campaigns, and send them directly to Adobe Experience. Now, you get here the workfront that you need for your business with new planning capabilities that allows you to model, connect, and view work for comprehensive visibility into the end-to-end marketing lifecycle. Also, leverage a seamless unified review and approval experience for new integrations, and get AI-powered capabilities to boost your performance and build brief faster, accelerate project launches, streamline brand compliance, and maximize productivity. Okay, and they show you how it works, how Adobe Front sets you up for success here with the steps that you need. And in the features as well, you can see all the features that are available and learn more about any of them. So work automation, goal alignment, scenario planning, budget and expense management, workflow management, proofing and approvals, and more. So let's take a look at workflow management tools pretty quickly. You can simplify work from start to finish and see what make it work. So you have task automations, online proofing and approvals, smart analytics and reporting, responsive planning, strategic team alignment, automated system integrations, and much more. And you can learn more about any feature and tool that you want. So let's go ahead back to Adobe Workfront, and let's then go back to Adobe Marketo. Okay, and here if you go to Adobe Marketo Engage Features, you can see the features of Adobe Marketo: cross-channel engagement, sales insights, content personalization, and marketing analytics. And you can take a look at any feature. So for content personalization, let's take a look at it pretty quickly. So they can help you by asset management, predictive content, advanced dynamic content, and advanced personalization. And you can read more about any feature that you are interested in. And finally, you can take a look at the resources here, the customer success stories, partners, learn and documentation, so you can learn more about the platform, services and support, as well as join the community to interact and ask any question that you need. So that was pretty much it. A quick overview of the Adobe Marketo business and automation marketing platform and lead management, email marketing, multi-touch attribution, and what it can do, or some of the features that it has to help you grow your business and manage your leads and projects.